Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of Ride to Ladakh from Hyderabad to Ladakh. And the first day was awesome. Mixed reactions, mixed emotions, and mixed road conditions and weather as well. This is the view, not so great. A little bit of construction work going on. Kiran is all suited up and ready. So now the plan is to hit up to Jhansi maximum or move beyond that. Now the point is to go up to Jhansi or try to go as close to Delhi as possible. Paji is waiting, can't wait to meet my biker brother, dearest biker brother whom I love with all my heart. So this is the plan for today. How the day unfolds, what all is going to happen, only God knows, and you're going to watch it right here at Dino's Wall. So let's get started. RR310 getting ready, and then we have the weather is kind of nice and cloudy. I hope it doesn't rain. Okay guys, so we've stopped for breakfast. The road seems good. That's a positive thing to start with, and we want to reach Jhansi by evening, and if possible go beyond that, get as close to Delhi as possible. So now let's see what we have for breakfast. अभी थोड़ा मेहमान नवाजी का एक्सपीरियंस देते हुए हमें, आप हैदराबाद आओ हमारी मेहमान नवाजी देखो. तो समोसे फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट and poha for breakfast for this guy right over there. Okay guys, so far the day has been awesome. The road from Nagpur to Bhopal is absolutely one of the best and most satisfying roads. So I kind of loved the roads, every moment of it. And now we have just stopped for a break, chai break. Not much of lunch because we have had a good breakfast, and now we are headed towards Jhansi, and there we're going to stay hopefully, and or ahead of Jhansi, and then next stop is Delhi. Paji, I'm coming straight to you. पाजी का नाम लेते ही एकदम जान आ जाती है, क्योंकि मेरा भाई जो है, he loves me so and I love him more. That's the spirit of motorcycling. And अपना जो राइडिंग पार्टनर है किरण भाई, he is all set. उसका GoPro यहाँ पे लगे सो है, वो भी ब्लॉगर बन जा रहा है, इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जा रहा है. But anyway, the ride so far, the spirit so far, and the experience so far has been truly mesmerizing. I'm sure it's going to get even better in the days to come. But now let's have some chai break and then hit the road again. Hopefully we'll make the target destination today. And yeah, stay tuned. So now the scene is we are close to Bhopal and we're going to cross Bhopal and try to reach for Jhansi. It is showing 500 kilometers, but the good news is they are saying this ghat road, kind of a trail road, ends now within 30 or 40 kilometers, and then we have a 4-lane highway. So if that road is good and if it is clear, definitely we can reach early. But if it is packed and if it is not so great in terms of quality, or if it is filled with potholes, then I think it's going to get late. So let's see, they are suggesting that we stay in Jhansi because that is where we get good quality hotels and good accommodation with internet and all, and I need to edit these videos. So that's where we stand now. So let's see how the rest of the day unfolds and how the day ends. So we had skipped lunch for some snacks. So this is what we are having lunch and dinner together. Chole bhature at Bhopal. ठीक इष्ट हमारा and ये मैडम जी हमें बहुत in a very warm way she has welcomed us. Thank you so much for the good hospitality, ma'am. So this is what we have for tonight, and then try and find some accommodation, and tomorrow head to Agra maybe. So let's decide the plan once we check into the hotel room. Okay guys, so now wrapping up this vlog, talking about the plan for tomorrow. So tomorrow we're putting the Delhi map on and heading straight for Delhi, hoping that Google Baba will direct us straight to Delhi, and hope there are no diversions, or hope the road is better. And they are saying there's a lot of protest going on, so that is one worry as to how to get into Delhi, meet Jason Paji, and set the plan up for Ladakh, whether Paji is coming on board or not. A lot of questions to be answered, but getting to Delhi is the main kind of next aim or next part of this mission Ladakh. And let's see how the rest of the series goes. I hope you had a lot of fun tagging along. Day 2, Hyderabad to Ladakh. Let's see what happens and what unfolds, what life has to offer on day 3. Catch you guys tomorrow.